Much sun? How much is mixed up with
Barrow.
Barrel?
Yeah.
Yo,
Barrel, half barrel.
Half barrow.
You see, you never remember how much
why you trying to ready for guy yard yet, man? You know, carry them come left there and tomorrow you get the money, man, because I don't come down here with the money. I don't yard there, you know. But there, I'm down here.
No, this is a half barrel. Mix up your hamburger, so if anything we can mix it, we can make it.
None of them I can't send?
Yeah, man, them can't. What are they? Alright, I'll get
Okay. I feel like it. Stand.
Alright.
Stand. Oh, stand.
Which one is the narrow? Where not this? The flashing? Throw that out and mix it up and try and hold them. That is flashing from
Yeah, finished product. You know, finished product of 2 story. This is the first story.